So can you tell me what you think of the new bike lane?
I think it's wonderful.
And why is that?
Safer.
So would you have ridden this street before we put the bike lane?
Absolutely not.
So what makes you want to ride it now?
I'm protected from the traffic. I have more room to take the cars and open the doors out in front of me.
And how often do you ride it?
Every day. I'm recovering from knee replacement. Bike is my rehab, so this is really important for me.
So where do you live?
In Long Beach, on First, which is a nice wide street for bikes, but with a stop sign at every corner, it's difficult to have to lose my momentum and stop. Unlike so many other people, I actually stop at stop signs.